If you have the admin role, you can manage the users who are part of your organization. In this tutorial, you will learn how to change user roles, disable users, resend invitation emails to pending users, delete users, and log out user sessions. To begin, access the user management view by navigating to My Organization. Users. Here you can view the current list of users and manage their access to the platform. To modify a specific user, click the vertical dots icon. To change a user's role, click on Edit Roles. Click on the drop-down list and select or unselect roles based on your requirements. Each user can be assigned up to 3 roles: admin, user, and agent builder. Admin users have full access to all features. They can chat with agents, build agents, and manage the organization's workspace and billing. Users with the user role have limited access to the platform and can only chat with the available agents. Users with the agent builder role can chat with agents and also access the build mode where they can build new agents. In this example, we will change the role of this user from admin to agent builder. Then, click on Update to validate the changes. Next, you can disable a user by clicking on Disable User. For users who have not activated their account, you can resend an invite link by clicking on Resend Invitation Email. You can also remove a user account by clicking on Delete User. For users who have accessed the platform, you can log them out by clicking Log Out User Sessions.